Okay, next we have the Palmetto State Armory, Palmetto Arms, 556223. Again, I'll be running the Tuluma. Have a UTC red dot with the green flip up joints. And we'll see how she goes. First run with her. Cross our fingers. We still hot?
Yes.
Okay. These are my manual sights. Locked open. Back release. Batting 1,000 today with the rifles. I must say, feeling really good. Again, having some stress at home, and what better way to relieve it? Coming out to the range, having a little bit of fun with the Palmetto State Armory. Look at the fluted back. Woo, look at the craftsmanship. Goodness gracious. Yeah. Burning off a little bit of stress. So, yeah, I think that's going to do it for me today. We got several videos of today's range action. You can check out some of the other videos. I split them up to try to get my numbers up. So if you don't mind, like, sharing, and subscribing on all the videos. It's 3 Teams Taylor Tactical Training signing out from Charleston, Best, Virginia, up here at Kanawha State Forest Range. Y'all have a blessed day and keep me in your prayers.